Centre has said that single-use plastic items, including earbuds with plastic sticks, balloons, plastic flags, candy sticks, ice cream sticks, and thermocol for decoration, will be banned from July 2022. Plastic plates, cups, cutlery, straw, trays, wrapping films around sweet boxes, invitation cards, cigarette packets, and PVC banners less than 100 micron will also be banned. As many as 66 people have been found infected with Delta Plus COVID-19 variant in Maharashtra so far, the State Health Department said, adding that some of them are fully vaccinated. It added that a total of 5 deaths have been reported due to the variant, 2 from Ratnagiri and 1 each from Mumbai, Bir and Raigarh. India's first nasal COVID-19 vaccine, developed by Bharat Biotech, has been given the regulatory approval for conducting Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials, the government said. This is the first of its kind COVID-19 jab to undergo human clinical trials in India, said a government release. Phase 1 clinical trial has been completed in the 18 to 60 years age group, it added. The Assam Assembly has passed the Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021, which bans the sale and purchase of beef within a 5-kilometer radius of any temple in the state. The bill aims to regulate the slaughter, consumption, and transportation of cattle. Opposition parties had argued the state government to refer it to a select committee for evaluation. Agency National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration said the combined land and ocean surface temperature in July this year was 1.67 degrees Fahrenheit above the 20th century average of 60.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it the hottest July since record-keeping began 142 years ago. About 1.5 million people have been asked to evacuate their homes amid heavy rainfall in western Japan, state media reported. 1 woman has died and 2 others are missing after rains triggered a landslide and engulfed at least 2 houses. There is a possibility that a grave disaster will occur in the coming days, a Japan Meteorological Agency official warned. Late boxing legend Muhammad Ali's 21-year-old grandson, Nico Ali Walsh, will make his pro boxing debut today. He is the son of Rashida Ali, the second oldest of Muhammad Ali's 9 children. Ali Walsh in June had signed a contract with Top Rank, which is headed by Bob Arum, who promoted 27 of Muhammad Ali's fights, including the Thrilla in Manila.